can go. Take him out. Thank you.
Vienen las elecciones, yo voy a estar en la iglesia, en todo lugar de tu área, para si tú quieres correr para arriba, yo me voy a encargar del voto. Déjame hablar.
Next person. Again, we're trying to bring up, I'm not here to argue. I know, but we're trying to put all the translators to the end because it does take a little bit more time. So right now, we're trying to get as many people as over. We are now wasting time.
Excuse me. Sam, you're out of here. I'm not out of here. I'm not out. No. Hey, don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't lie. Don't lie. I was here. Don't lie. Sam, out. Sam, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, so you let me get my bag. Leave. Hold on. I got it. Go get his bag. All six, come up the front door. I got it, Adrian.
I'm gonna leave when you let us stop. That's right. Sir, I'm not leaving when you let us stop. Sam.
Hey, let's get the deputies inside.
There's a lot of people.
No one's touching you, sir.
Sam, come on, dude. Come on.
I don't want to go through this, sir.
Come on, Sam.
You didn't let me talk?
No, Sam. No, you didn't leave. Come on.
The whole meeting.
Yes, you didn't leave. They've asked you to leave.
Sam.
They've asked you to leave, Sam.
Come on, Sam.
I will let people talk.
Yeah, no, I got your back.
We'll go on recess and clear everyone out. We will have order in this meeting.
You have
right now, sir. When you need it.
Have them come into the meeting.
Call me right now, sir.
Sam, just relax, dude.
Dude, I'm cool, man, but I saw you guys coming for me.
Somebody pushed you into me, I think.
No, I did. That was not a push.
Okay.
I was going through a very cramped area.
Yeah, I agree.
And I had my bag, and I just tried to go in, man. I tried to go in because I was going to come out this way anyway.
Okay, but you heard her warn you to leave.
I didn't hear her warn me.
Okay, well, I'm explaining to you, you need to leave. Okay, Sam?
Okay, well, I could be right here.
No, you're going to
I
be
could be on the sidewalk.
You can be on the sidewalk.
Okay, I'll be on the sidewalk.
Okay, sir?
You're denying my Brown Act.
I'm not denying anything. I'm going by what I've been asked to do. Okay?
She didn't do anything wrong. We're with you.
I have no idea.
We're going to recess.
No.
Excuse me.
We'll take her out.
Full police to 140 David. Start responding units to Hacienda Correction, Hacienda School District.
Everybody come down, please. Everybody come down.
You got 3 units here. Go and respond to at least another 5 units, please. Hey, can you request another 5? Yeah, over LTAC. You guys, hey, if you guys want to request it also.
Okay, just sit down, folks. Siéntense, por favor, siéntense.
Okay, we're clearing the boardroom. We're clearing the boardroom. Okay, staff out. All staff, go ahead and leave the building. We're clearing the boardroom.
Serrano are the only board members that can charge kids. Those 2 board members.
Are we clearing the boardroom?
Okay, this is unlawful assembly at this point. I've asked you to leave. It's unlawful assembly. Okay? Once we get everybody out, maybe we can resume the meeting.
We got it.
Okay? Thank you, Adriana. I would prefer everybody out front. Somebody get a laptop or a phone so you guys can hear it.
I just want to get my stuff.
Well, once we get it clear, everybody calms down, sir, then it depends on what they want to do, and I know that what they're going to do. They're going to go ahead and Zoom the meeting. So just hang out there? Yeah, and we'll call the people in to speak, but the room will be clear, okay? Everybody will have the chance to speak still.
You gotta tell them not to get in their face. The dad was pissed because the kid was crying and the police was getting in their face.
I'm trying to handle one thing at a time. Okay? Nobody comes in. Nobody comes in. Do I shut the doors? Okay, everybody could go around the front. We're closing this down. No. Okay? Close the doors. Go to the east driveway.
Please just move back.
Let them know we got an officer going to the east driveway to let them know.
That's waiting. It's a public place. Where do you want us?
Everybody go to the front. Okay, I am considering this a lawful assembly. Everybody needs to go to the front.
It's a public place.
Okay.
You guys are gonna.
Can I speak?
Are you gonna be responsible?
Can I speak?
Hey,
Can I speak? Can I speak?
Do that.
Can I speak? I'm going to advise you what's going to go on. If everybody stays calm, goes to the front, we will continue to have the people speak once they come back into session.
Are you going to allow the Spanish speakers to have translating?
We will get the translator.
As they
Whatever it is.
That's discrimination.
Okay? Come on, we need to go.
Hey, you guys gonna have traffic control for the kids? We have kids that can run to the street.
They don't need to run in the street.
Okay, if something happens, you guys are liable for it.
No.
Why? You guys are kicking us
You're
to
the
the front.
parent, you're responsible for your
Anything
kids.
can happen. An accident, something can happen.
Keep them up in the front.
Peleando por la educación de nuestros hijos, no estamos
The
peleando.
danger of us being in the front is a lot worse than being in here.
Okay, they want you.
Got it.
Go ahead.
There's a big difference. Let's go.
This is on the west side of this is on the west side parking lot, gates open. If deputies are responding, I'll be standing by for them.
Yeah, 10-4, I'm going to go ahead and make the announcement by PA.
And if you could let the deputies there out front know, let the deputies who are responding that I'm outside, I'll be coming in. Check procedure is not there.
What?
You want to use the restroom? Are you a district employee or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's going to stay in then.
Okay. Let me know. No.
We're going to make the announcement.
And then allow me to go to the restroom there at the school district. And I have medical notes. I will be contacting someone as they're violating my right to fix.
Okay, let me have your attention, please.
Please.
My name is Officer Barba with the Hacienda Puente School Police Department. Your conduct is a violation of Penal Code Section 402, Unlawful Assembly. Again, this is an unlawful assembly. I'm declaring it, okay? I command you, in the name of the people of the state of California, to disperse. And if you do not, you will be arrested for violation of Penal Code Section 407, Unlawful Assembly, and Penal Code Section 409 and 416, Refusal to Disperse. I advise you to disperse. It's in your best interest. What we'll do, let me say it in Spanish first.
Buenas noches, soy oficial Gómez del Distrito Escolar, Policía del Distrito Escolar. Su conducta es incorrecta, contra la ley, bajo la autoridad de los habitantes del estado de California. Les ordeno que se retiren o serán arrestados por violación del Código Penal 407, 409 y 416.
Okay, so what's going to happen is everybody leaves out front. We will start calling, if the board decides, which I believe they will, just like we did last time, we'll start calling individuals in and you will be able to speak. We do not want to take that right away from you to speak, but we will have the boardroom closed. Okay, so we'll probably invite 2 in at a time. Okay? Your cooperation is appreciated if we can. No, everybody will be outside. Restrooms outside. Now that we have this office closed, there's a porta potty out there. Right outside the door. Yeah, go out the door and to the left.
Are you going to provide a speaker outside so we can hear the meeting?
No, you guys will provide the speaker.
No, that's against the law. You
Okay.
know? That's against the law.
I'm sorry.
And that's another thing I'm going to be telling you.
Okay.
Police.
We have
Yes.
YouTube.
Yeah.
It's on YouTube Live.
It's on YouTube Live.
It's still against the law.
Can you put it on your phone? Adriana will put it on her phone. Okay, what? I can only do one area at a time.
Yeah, I know. We're saying that.
You guys take this. Wilkins, stay over here.
Guárdala por ahorita, por si no respetan la voz de la comunidad, mañana use su energía para sacar a la gente que no debe de estar aquí.
It's just going to
Bravo! Gracias!
Okay, let me have your attention, please. My name is Officer Barba, the Hacienda Puente School Police Department. I'm considering this an unlawful assembly, okay? Okay, your best? What was that, ma'am?
So we're going to come back right now?
Okay, let me read it all the way through.
Just one question, sir. The
Yes,
thing
sir.
is, the last time what happened, and they're afraid of going
Yeah, they
outside.
wouldn't let us back in.
What happened is, yes, it was, they kicked us to the front, and they never allowed back into the back.
That's
part
what
here.
it will be this time also.
So we're not gonna be able to be
No,
allowed in.
we'll allow 2 in at a time to speak. Everybody will be able to speak.
You understand that they're the ones that caused this alteration?
I'm just following
We're
orders,
not
sir.
having a translator.
Okay, your conduct is in violation of Penal Code Section 407, Unlawful Assembly. I command you in the name of the people of the state of California to disperse. And if you do not, you shall be arrested for violation of Penal Code Section 407, Unlawful Assembly, and Penal Code Section 409 and 416, refusal to disperse. Okay, like I explained, once you guys move to the front, I'm sure the school board will allow 2 people in at a time, and everybody will be able to speak as cards. Okay? So I'm asking you, please disperse to the front, or you will be subject to arrest.
Okay. Why is it an unlawful assembly if the one person?
First of all, I don't answer to you, ma'am.
No, I'm just saying, I'm
I
asking.
know you're a school board member, but I don't answer.
But we're asking,
Okay.
if the one person that was doing civil disobedience, they left, Sam is not here, so why is it continuing to be that?
The school board president has decided that's the way it's going to be with the superintendent. The school board president oversees this meeting.
Okay.
It is her meeting.
Sorry, I just used the porta potty. You guys didn't even provide somewhere where we can wash our hands. I mean, is that a separate question? I mean, you guys don't.
So Jimenez is there right now? So
I don't know. I'm gonna talk to them.
You're mandated to go around to the front of the building.
How will we hear
Then
public comment?
there'll be somebody out there with phones, and you guys can get it on YouTube on your phone out there also.
come on.
So please, everybody leave and go around to the front through the gate. I'm following orders, sir.
I know, but where's Jimenez? Hey, there's kids here.
Yeah.
We are gonna do that.
Everybody was.
Come on.
Where my money is
Come on, everybody go around the front. Everybody go around the front. This is the best for you.
Vamos a ir al frente. Ahí dejen la silla. Leave the chair. They can pick them up.
Leave the chairs. Our custodians will pick them up.
No se me vayan, porque luego no tienen raíz, doña Margarita.
Right now we need to Okay, so this is the acting chief.
I'm the acting chief.
Yes, according to the board president, Christine Salazar, and the superintendent Jimenez, they directed you to declare an unlawful assembly.
The unlawful assembly is declared by me.
Yes.
Per the board president. Okay, she wanted us dispersed.
To disperse, okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Okay?
So this was Salazar's decision. Got it.
Just to let you know, board president supersedes the superintendent in her meeting.
Yes, I
Okay?
understand that. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your
All right,
cooperation.
thank you, guys. So they can send everybody out, everybody.
Just go ahead and leave the chairs here, the custodian will take them.
Where are the people gonna sit outside on?
They can stand and they can
It's a
come in.
public property, no?
Yes, it
So
is, sir.
they're able to use it? No.
No, we can't leave them, can't take them. Okay. I appreciate it if you leave them.
Sorry, you said the school district police, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Sounds good, thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
Don't worry about picking up stuff. The custodian will pick it up. I just appreciate you guys leaving. Okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah, got you.
Okay? Thank you.
Just ask her if they could allow us in, that would be great.
Oh, I will ask.
Okay.
Okay? Wilkins. Wilkins. Take the gate, nobody else comes in. Thanks very much.
Yeah, no problem.
There you go. They are parked back here.
Shouldn't they be allowed to be getting their cars?
Well, we'll let them get their cars. They're going to go out in front. We're going to still allow them to speak. Okay.
Oh, okay, the chairs.
They took a lot of chairs that they shouldn't.
They took a lot of chairs out there.
You'll get them?
Okay. Yeah, we'll get them out there after. You go out there with him. Guys, got to keep Serrano out of there somehow. Because she's getting in my face out there. And
Got in your face?
Well, somewhat, and wanting to know why they were saying it's disbursement. I said, it's the board president.
Talking to her about that.
Okay,
I said, once it's declared lawful assembly.
hold on.